Welcome to Covent Garden in Santa Mesa, Manila. So this is a penthouse bi-level unit, 119 square meters. Yan, as you can see, sobrang lawak ng living room natin. And punta tayo sa kitchen area. And this is the bathroom. And meron din tayong maid's room or storage or laundry room. May sariling bathroom din. Ayan po siya. Then this is your kitchen area. Sobrang spacious niya po talaga. And meron pa siyang balcony. Ayan. Sobrang ganda at sobrang aliwalas po niyan. Sobrang lawak naman po ng balcony natin. So ngayon, punta naman po tayo sa second floor. So ayan. Okay tayo po. Then there's another bathroom on the second floor. Then punta tayo sa first bedroom. So that's the first bedroom. Sobrang laki. And ang ganda ng view nyo. Sobrang laki rin ng windows, floor to ceiling. And the second bedroom, yan. So pwede nyo itong gawin ng isa pang bedroom. Sobrang lawak kasi ng master's bedroom na yan eh. And there's another private bathroom. So ganyan siya kalaki po. So ayan, if you have any questions po, if you want an actual viewing, please message me. And my name is Roland Tagayong, your senior account analyst. Thank you and bye-bye.